We are always by your side, no matter what life throws at you. Even if you drive in conditions beyond your control. So, we are about to take your car care to a whole new level. Introducing CCP, Customer Convenience Package by Maruti Suzuki Service. A first-of-its-kind care package designed for unpredictable moments, covering repairs beyond your control. We are always by your side. You can choose whichever package suits your needs. The CCP Hydro package gives you assurance against the repair and maintenance cost caused by water entry in the engine. The CCP Fuel package gives you the confidence to explore destinations without worrying about fuel quality. And CCP Plus package covers both the hydro and fuel package combined. Care curated to your need. So, how can you get a customer convenience package for your car? As long as you have an active primary warranty and extended warranty, you can get the package of your choice easily. Now, drive your car with complete confidence without worrying about the repair cost caused due to water entry or fuel quality. Feel assured, we are with you, always by your side.